Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with um, a small haul, somewhat. One of our Walmarts in town was closing, so I went over to the craft area. Didn't get much, but there were some things that I really wanted, and so I was able to pick up this tacky glue, which is my favorite glue. I got 6 of those for half off. I went on the half off day, and then I also picked up this bamboo cord. And I love this, love the colors. And then I also picked up this masking tape, and I got 2 of these. I want to say I just paid for change for these, so that was a good buy. And I also picked up this natural polished hemp, and love the color of that. It's just really plain, and I like that. And then I picked up a couple of these for some giveaways, so like those. Really nice price for those. Then I went over to Hobby Lobby and I picked up some of these this nylon thread. I got it in black and I got it in white, $1.24, really good price. I picked up some of these little bells. They were 99 cents from Hobby Lobby. I thought that was very good, so I was happy about that. And I had been seeing everybody haul the stamps from Dollar Tree. And so finally found them in our area, and they had, I want to say every one of them, but I didn't want them all. So I got this one. I really want to see how they stamp. If they don't stamp too well, I might give them away. But everybody who has been stamping them out, they look like they stamp amazing. So I'm happy to get this one. And I picked up this one. I really like the sentiments on this one. And this one, believe me, I didn't get it for the dragonflies, but I did get it for everything else. Not the dragonflies, but I like that. And I picked up this one. So like those. Then CC Design had, for their birthday sale, an extra 34% off or 32% off. And so I hit up their clearance. And so I picked up this little girl here. And there we go, there. And I picked up 2 of those, so I'm going to give one away. And then I had been looking at these penguins, and when it went to that extra 30-some% off, I said that's perfect. Picked up this, and it's called penguins. And I picked up these cute little lambs. I thought these were just too cute. And sheeps rather. I got the coordinated dies with that. And then I also picked up this here. And then from Honeybee Stamps, I had $150 on their one of their hops or something like that, and so went over and picked up a few things. And I picked up this. I did use one of those little gems out of there. Those are so pretty. I like them a lot. That was my first time getting these gems, so they're really pretty. Got a nice sparkle to them. And then I also picked up what is this? I forgot what the name of it. Cherry blossoms. This is not for the faint of heart, that's for sure. But I did make some, and so you'll see that project coming up soon enough. And there goes the little layering thing, supposed to help you out there. I also picked up these bells here. I guess it's called bells. I don't know. Yep, layering holiday bells. Really like that. And I had been looking at this, and I really like this here. And I picked up this here. I just happened to go to Honeybee and noticed they must have had some major sale, because I missed out on like a lot of stuff. And I hate that I didn't go over and visit maybe last week or sometime. I don't know when they had that major sale, but I did pick up this from the same day that I picked up the other stuff, and I really like that. Oh, and I also picked up the party stamp set that goes with that. And then from the Spellbinders sale. And I tell you, they really shipped fast this go round. And so I got a couple items here. I got one for myself and one to give away. So I really like that. That's that wreath builder. Really pretty. And then I also picked up this one, not necessarily for like the pony or the dog, but I thought I could use the For You. Where is it at? For You. And then I don't know what these are, but I can't remember. But anyways, there were some other things in here that I thought I could use. I don't have any pets, so I just went ahead and got it anyways. It was only $1, so it was still a good buy. So I like that. And I also picked up this set here. And love this set. Enabled by, of course, a creative muse, Susan. And I did not want to let this get by me. I really, really, really like this stamp set. And then I also picked up this, which was also enabled by a creative muse. Thank you so much. But I got that. This was $10, so that was a really good buy there. So love, love, love that. And that's all of my haul that I had. Well, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.